Let's go buy a house. It's Saturday morning, that means it's inspection time. So right now we're gonna go see an apartment, 2-bed. I think it's 2-bath. It's in a nice area. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is an area that I'm pretty familiar with. So the novelty is not gonna be the building. I'm pretty familiar with it and what it offers. It's gonna be the fact that it's a 2-bed, 2-bath in this price range. I wanna know what's wrong with it also. I've been filming on my camera, but I'm gonna do the rest on my phone because I'm shy. Okay, we're gonna try the second time, just tried, no luck. Tried to call the agent. Might try again just because you never know.
Hi, thank you for calling real estate. Sorry I missed your call. Please leave your name and date.
Okay, we can't get in. Guess I'm not buying this one. Okay, I was about to write this whole suburb off, but no. Just found a welcome sign. Hopefully we'll be able to go in. I'm nervous that it's a 1-bedroom because I kind of know what I know what a 1-bedroom here looks like, but let's see anyway. I think you have to be very skinny to exist in here, because like this is like the width of me, so my coats would just about get in here. I was trying to do a live demonstration, but it's difficult. But essentially the counter space, to cowgirl the toilet to get to the counter space, or you're gonna have to like just lay yourself over here, like left to right bend. Not that it's not worth it, but worth living. Apartment number 2, different area, similar price range, 2-bed, 2-bath. Let's check it out. Okay, made it in. And maybe it's bare minimum, but like we barely walked into the first one with any ease. So this second one's already high ranked at this stage. Okay, enough time has passed. I feel like I can marinate on the first one even better. So that was in a good price range. It was 2-bed and 2-bath. The second bedroom was one of those weird ones that don't actually have a window. It opened up internally. Now the opening up internally wasn't so bad because natural light still came through because we're sort of on a walkway. However, you can't open that other window. Scary. It did have a lot of balcony access, sort of like from one bedroom and also from the living room. However, quite dark. So the second bedroom that had the sort of frosted out window got natural light, yes, but like the living room etc only had the balcony to get light into, and I was there at like what, 10 something. So maybe the peak of the day hadn't hit, but it's summer and it was gonna be as sunny as it was gonna be. It wasn't like the brightest and lightest. Second one, also a great location, also a great price point, also 2-bed and 2-bath, slightly bigger. However, their second bedroom was incredibly dark. Now this one was difficult because I think the tenant had blacked out the walls and also put in a screen on the internal window that it had, but the internal window was different. The internal window didn't face natural light. The internal window faced sort of the living room and the kitchen. Really nice property, probably rentable, and a great area, but that second bedroom was a lot to contend with. Food for thought, I fear. The first one already had an offer in, so I don't really know why they were showing it, because she did say it was under offer. Apparently they've been ghosted, but I also couldn't get in. Like, it was just a weird vibe from everyone involved, but keep my eyes peeled. I'm in no hurry to make a rash decision between the two right now. Property A looks better, but property B was probably a better experience overall. More of a view, more light, slightly bigger. Food for thought, I fear.